Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Creo Parametric. In this tutorial, we are drawing a gibbon cotter joint assembly. In last tutorial, we have learned how to model this fork. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to model square rod. For that, first go to the Creo Parametric software and keep this drawing left side. Then go for new. Here part, solid, give name, untick this use default template, save OK. Our units are in mm, so we need to choose mm, template, ns, part, solid, absolute, save OK. Switch on all the planes and axis and point and display. Now our second component is square rod. So first I'm choosing a front plane, sketch view. Now I'm going to draw this sketch. Here they are not given the length, that means that the shaft has more length. So instead they have defined like this, means that we can give any dimension. Here I'm going to give 100 mm as a length. First take a rectangle, just simply draw a rectangle. Press the roller to confirm. The height of the rectangle is 38, this one is 38, and the length is 41 plus 47 plus 100. 41 plus 47 plus 100. Then it has to be extruded up to the length of 38. So then save OK. Go for extrude. Just rotate. Make it symmetric. Just extrude it with the 38, save OK. Now we have created this square rod. Now we just want to create this slot cut. For that, just simply select the surface, go for sketch view. From this edge, it is in 41. So just make a center plane as reference. Then close it. Take again a corner rectangle. Just simply draw this rectangle here. Press the roller to confirm. Now this dimension they have given, which is 41. So just modify this value into 41. 41, enter. And this sketch you make it symmetric. Click this symmetric dimension. This point and this point and this line, then it will become symmetric. Then this width of the cut is 12 mm. Just press the roller to confirm, then double click this value. This is make it 12, and length to remove is 47. Just type the value 47, enter it. Now we have specified that length. Then save OK. Then go for extrude. Change the direction. Then remove up to the length, go for 2 next, save OK. Now we have created the square rod, we can save this file. For that, just go for the file, save as, save a copy. The second component is 2 underscore square underscore rod. While naming any file name, we can use underscore instead of space. If you provide a space, it will give error. Then save it. Now we have done of creating the second component. Thank you for watching my videos. We'll see in the next tutorial. Thank you.